and Water Tanker have a special job today. Hey!
What happened? Look at this! Let's go!
Uh-oh!
Okay.
They need to make new parts to build a fire truck.
Drill truck.
So nice!
Look, drill machine drills out 4 molds first.
Okay. What's next? I like it! Let's go! It's my time! Amazing! Good job! Okay. I like it!
The 4 molds are ready.
Okay, it's my time!
Water Tanker pours the paint into the mold.
Good job!
Wait for the paint to dry, then open the molds.
Wow.
Yellow. Wow, the yellow mold is 4 wheels.
Yeah!
Water tank truck.
Amazing! Wow!
The green mold is the fire truck's cab.
Okay. Good job!
Red. The red mold is the body base.
I like it! It's my time! Okay.
Blue. Hey, the blue mold is the support ladder. Assemble them all together.
Okay. Good job! Amazing! I like it! It's so nice!
The fire truck is here.
Let's go!
Time to go to work.
Fire truck.
First, water the
Good
little
job.
trees. Grow up fast, little trees. Hey,
Help me! Okay.
next, give the other vehicles a bath. Sparkly clean.
Bye-bye!
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.